Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, your trusted destination for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shop-Vac 96430 1.25-inch diameter cleaning kit, a three-piece attachment set that promises to make cleaning upholstery, blinds, and even car interiors a breeze. This kit is designed to help you tackle those hard-to-reach spots, but does it live up to the promise? Let's find out. At first glance, this three-piece cleaning kit from Shop-Vac seems like a simple solution to a common problem: cleaning above-floor surfaces and tight spaces with ease. This set includes a round brush, a crevice tool, and a Gulper nozzle, all designed to fit 1 to 1/4 inch hose fittings. Shop-Vac, known for its leadership in wet-dry vacuum systems, claims that these attachments are perfect for delicate surfaces like upholstery, drapes, Venetian blinds, and even car interiors. But do they deliver on that promise? Let's dig deeper into the details. The first thing that stands out about this kit is the versatility of its attachments. The round brush is ideal for gently cleaning delicate fabrics and surfaces. Whether it's the upholstery in your living room or your car's fabric seats, this tool is designed to remove dust and debris without damaging the surface. The crevice tool, on the other hand, is fantastic for getting into those tight corners and edges that are often overlooked, like the spaces between cushions or the nooks of your blinds. And the Gulper nozzle is a real game changer when it comes to picking up larger debris or dust from your furniture or car mats. These three tools seem like they've got the bases covered when it comes to cleaning those areas most vacuums struggle to reach. Now, let's talk about performance. These tools are designed to fit into Shop-Vac's 1 to 1 1/4 inch hoses, which is a standard size for many vacuums. If you already own a Shop-Vac unit, that's great news. It means you can integrate this kit into your existing setup without any hassle. The nozzle fittings are easy to attach and remove, and once in place, the suction power you get is impressive, even for those finer particles that tend to cling to fabric or blinds. The round brush especially does a good job of dislodging dust without damaging more sensitive surfaces, like drapes or fine furniture. In terms of real-world usage, I tested the attachments on various surfaces. The round brush was perfect for cleaning my living room's soft upholstery, where typical vacuums might struggle to agitate dust deeply without being too harsh. The crevice tool made a huge difference in cleaning between cushions and getting into narrow corners of my car interior, areas that I usually neglect. And the Gulper nozzle did exactly what it was designed to do: suck up larger debris from my car mats without any clogging issues. However, not everything is perfect. One thing to note is that while these attachments work great for most jobs, they are best suited for smaller, lighter tasks. The round brush is effective for light dusting, but if you're dealing with a large mess of debris or heavy dirt on upholstery, you may find that you need to go over it a couple of times. The crevice tool also has its limitations. While it fits well into tight spaces, it can sometimes feel a little too narrow, making it harder to clean larger, open areas quickly. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Shop-Vac 96430 cleaning kit is undeniably versatile. It provides you with the tools you need to clean delicate and hard-to-reach spaces effectively. Its build quality feels solid, and it fits seamlessly with Shop-Vac's 1 to 1/4 inch hoses. The round brush is especially great for delicate fabrics, and the Gulper nozzle works wonders for clearing out debris from car interiors. Another big plus is the ease of use. The attachments are quick to set up, and the tools are light enough to handle with minimal effort. On the downside, while these attachments excel in certain areas, they may not be ideal for heavy-duty cleaning. The round brush doesn't have the power to tackle heavy dirt or stains on fabrics, and the crevice tool can be a bit narrow for larger areas. Additionally, if you have a larger vacuum system, you might find these tools a bit too small for bigger cleaning tasks, making them better suited for light, detail-oriented cleaning rather than full house jobs. As for value for money, Shop-Vac positions this kit as an affordable solution for those looking to clean finer surfaces and tight spots. At a relatively low price point, you get a set of attachments that will serve well in specific scenarios. However, if you're looking for something that can handle large messes or heavy-duty debris, there may be better options out there. But if you're in need of a practical set for your finer cleaning needs, this kit provides good value. When comparing this cleaning kit to other similar tools on the market, it's important to look at how well it matches up to other compact cleaning attachments from brands like Dyson or Hoover. While Dyson's attachments for handheld vacuums are known for their power and range, the Shop-Vac 96430 kit is more specialized. It doesn't have the versatility of larger vacuum accessories, but for the price, it does a fantastic job on upholstery, car interiors, and other delicate surfaces. In terms of build quality and durability, Shop-Vac has a solid reputation. The attachments are made from durable plastic, and the nozzles and hoses feel sturdy during use. Maintenance is straightforward. You'll just need to clean out the nozzles and brush after each use, especially if you've been picking up a lot of pet hair or dirt. The fact that these are designed for Shop-Vac's wet-dry vacuums means they should hold up well under normal use, though they may wear faster if subjected to heavy, continuous use in larger cleaning tasks. If you ever need customer support, Shop-Vac has a strong track record of being responsive. Their products are backed by a solid warranty, and the brand is known for offering good support when issues arise. To wrap it up, the Shop-Vac 906430 cleaning kit is a solid choice for anyone in need of specialized cleaning tools for delicate, tight spaces. It excels in specific areas like upholstery, car interiors, and blinds, and it's easy to use and maintain. However, it may not be the best fit for larger, more demanding cleaning tasks. If you're someone who's mostly looking to clean small, intricate spaces or lightweight upholstery, this could be a worthwhile investment. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Reviewsinside for more honest, detailed reviews like this one. If you have any questions about the Shop-Vac 9064300 or have your own experiences with this cleaning kit, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!